Hello, I am Dr. Jonelle Shaw. I am both a chiropractor and a naturopath, and today we are discussing hydrotherapy, specifically at-home hydrotherapy that you can do yourself. It goes by a few different names. So one would be warming socks, another name would be magic socks, and then for those who have done it and don't really enjoy how cold it is, they'll just call them the cold wet socks. However, after you get over the shock of how it feels to put cold socks on a warm body, then you can start experiencing the health effects. And those can be quite profound, which is why we do the therapy in the first place. So this is a really old school remedy that can be used to improve how you feel when you're trying to heal from something. So if that's a fever, a head cold, congestion, or you're just not sleeping well, this can be a really good way to get your body to do a better job sleeping at night. Hydrotherapy simply means that we're using water, which is hydro, and therapy, so we're using the properties of water to help you heal, okay? And those properties of water include the temperature, so the heat of a hot bath, or ice therapy, ice massage. People have heard of different techniques out there. You're gonna need two things. You're gonna need a pair of short cotton socks, and then nice 100% wool, big bulky socks. For those of you who really want to kind of just dip your toe into this therapy, you can get the little booty socks, the ones that are barely covering a dress shoe. You could wear those instead of, say, ones that you would go work out in. This is what I do when I'm not feeling well and I need some drainage. So take a nice hot warm bath. Maybe have some hot ginger tea or another hot tea that you like while you're in there. You want to get your body really, really warm. Then what you're going to do is get your cotton socks. You're going to soak them in really, really cold water. Then you're going to wring them out. Okay, you don't want them dripping wet, but you do want them wet. And then you put them on your feet. Cotton socks go on first. The reaction that you should have, because your body's warm, these socks are cold, you go, oh, you want that, okay? You want that nice big contrast. Then you take your wool sock and you put it over it, okay? Then get in bed, okay? So you're gonna get in bed, you're gonna cover up and just go to sleep. What you're gonna notice after your feet start warming up the socks is that they don't feel cold anymore, but they do feel wet. It takes about 4 to 6 hours for them to dry out because the wool sock is really insulating it so that then that water isn't evaporating and your body's forced to put more blood into the circulation to keep that surface being warm. And then what that does is reflexively draining all of the congestion that you have in your head. So head colds, fevers, infections, all kinds of things get better because we're improving the circulation while you're sleeping. And then you're able to get a really good night's sleep, which helps make you, heal faster because you're getting deeper sleep. So give that a shot. If you do end up trying it, let me know how the experiment goes. All right, take care. Bye. I hope you give this a go. I tell you, it sounds really bizarre. I know it does, but when you've tried it, you're like, I need to go and do some magic socks tonight. If you're enjoying these videos, please let me know. If you have any tips or suggestions for future ones that you'd like to see, just let me know what that is.